So this doesn't work on most mats, but it does work on a hard surface, wood floor. We're just doing one arm at a time, okay? And we're doing glenohumeral axial rotations with our quadruped position here. And we're gonna put all our weight. Now, if it's too challenging for you to put all your weight and to rotate for you, okay? In other words, you're unable to really rotate and we're still trying to get good range, then you can keep this hand down and just focus on this arm. But if you can go ahead and hold tension through your rotations, that's what we're going for, okay? So starting quadruped, palms just facing in, okay? Oh, on the fist. Yeah, it does work better on the fist. I was just doing hands because of the mat. Okay, if you can subtract the other arm, take it across your ribs, monitor those ribs, internally rotate. Now, it does slide around, I get that. So after one set, hold at the end for 5, 4, squeeze, 3, 2. After we do a full set, we can adjust if we need to. Now we're trying to make our biceps look at each other. Come on, make your bicep look at me, not just the wrist. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you need to adjust it, go ahead. Then rotate, internally rotate. So now we're trying to make our triceps look at each other or at the camera. Hold 5, 4, keep squeezing, 3, 2, externally rotate. Holding good tension as you rotate. And then at the end of the rotation, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Internally rotate. Squeeze at the end. Make sure the scapula is not in the ear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Externally rotate. Hold 5, 4, 3, make sure it's the upper arm. 2 more. Internally rotate. So make sure it's not just your forearm, that it's your bicep. Oh, and the scapula doesn't get to participate. Sorry, it's not invited. And internally rotate. So keep that scapula pulled down. Good, shift your weight over it a little more. Oh yeah. Good, hold at the end. And 1 more of each. So trying to keep your weight directly over it. Oh, we're in internal rotation, whoops. 5, 4, check your scapula, 2, 1, and externally rotate. In particular, when we internally rotate, that's when that scapula gets really excited to help. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we get to switch. All right, stack over, shoulder over. Take the hand across the rib if you can, and internally rotate. Make sure it's upper here. Okay, at the end of each one, if you guys want to test yourself, you can always try to grab your bicep and try to turn yourself, and it shouldn't give. 3, 2, 1, externally rotate. It's basically what I would do if you're in class with me. Be coming around, be trying to turn your biceps. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and internally rotate. Keep pushing up through the body. Check the scapula. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's that internal work we did. Externally rotate. Hold at the end of each one right there. Check it if you want. 4, 3, 2, 1. Internally rotate. Push up tall. Check your scapula. Check your bicep, tricep. Make sure it's really, really squeezing at the end, and externally rotate. Should be getting a little bit harder. Good, really turn that bicep to face out. Squeeze at the end, and internally rotate. Squeeze, juice out that rotation. Find that internal rotation you were working earlier, and externally rotate. Our final one is coming up here. Squeeze. All right, this last one, best one. Internally rotate, scapula away from your ear. Squeeze at the end, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, Fire up as much tissue as you can. Squeeze it out. Hold 5, 4, scapula, bicep, tricep, and bring it back. Shoulders feel good?
Oh yeah.
All right.